Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to be doing a video a little bit different than I usually do. It's going to be an unboxing video of the Apple Watch Series 4. I've been wanting to get an Apple Watch for 2 years now, and yesterday I finally decided to get it. I still haven't opened the box, and it's right here. It's still in its packaging. Pretty much in this video I'm going to be unboxing the Apple Watch, and I'm going to give a little bit of a review. I'm also going to give a hands-on setup kind of situation. I've never made a video like this before, so please be patient with me, and I hope you guys get something out of this, and I hope this persuades you to either go buy an Apple Watch yourself if you're debating on buying one, or not go buy one. Without further ado, let's get on with it, shall we? So what we have here is the box. I freaking love the packaging that Apple always does with their products. I don't know, there's just something about it. Before I take off the shrink wrap, I wanted to compare it to the iPhone box. And in comparison, it's almost half the size, pretty much half the size, of the Apple Watch box. So let's get on with taking off the shrink wrap. Already, 10 out of 10 feeling, of course, no bias. Okay, so already you can see the different types of colors of the Apple Watch. And if you spin it around, and you can see the face of the Apple Watch. There's actually two boxes in here. So the first one's the straps. It's a sports band. Here we go. I'm going to go ahead and open up the sports band first. And so right away we get instructions. Apple products usually don't get instructions, but the Apple Watch does get it, and it's just attaching the band and how to adjust it and things like that. So inside we are included the medium band and the small band. So now that we got that out of the way, let's put this aside. So now, the moment of truth is my favorite. And da-da-da. So already we are introduced to the Apple Watch itself, and it's soft. Feels really soft. I'm gonna take this out and I'm gonna leave it right there beside the perfect picture of an Apple Watch. Take this out. This is probably the instructions. Yeah, this is the instructions. And here you have the electrical induction charging, and also the wall charger, the wall adapter thingy. And we'll move that out of the way and get straight to the Apple Watch itself. And so this is my first time ever actually getting an Apple Watch. It really feels really light, and I love how soft the velvet kind of cover is. It's really soft, trust me guys. Let's start by taking this out. And there you go, it's on. It really looks really sleek, and that's what I love about it. And if I turn it around, you can see that the back, so it has the ECG, which is the electrocardiogram plate that measures your heart with electrical pulses. That's all I know about it. And so it says I need to pair it with my phone. Use your iPhone to set up this Apple Watch. And so you gotta do like that. Now I can set up the Apple Watch, and we're left. Read terms and conditions. This may take a few minutes. I wonder how long this is going to take. Hopefully not too long. And so right away we're introduced with the workout route tracking. I'm going to disable that for now, and then next is watch analytics. I'll share that with Apple, and okay. Passcode, I'll change that later. Activity, skip this step. And heart health, whenever you get low heart rate, it'll notify you, or high heart rate, it'll notify you. There's an emergency thing. You can press and hold the side button to call emergency services, and there's a fall detection, and install available apps, so I can easily install apps later. So I'll choose later. Now it's syncing. So I'm gonna leave this down actually and wait for it to finish. Okay, so just got the notification that my app is ready to go. So I gotta press the digital crown to start. And it just vibrated and made the bring sound. And so on the phone it says welcome to the Apple Watch app. It's my watch. You can adjust settings, organize apps. You can do the face gallery, so you can change the face, and there's the app store. And just press OK. It says Kevin's Apple Watch. And so I'm gonna put my phone away now. We're gonna focus on the Apple Watch. There we go. Sweet. You can switch it, swipe it more, swipe it again. So yeah, if I hold it down, then I can kind of customize it. I can change the color. I can make it black, red, orange, apricot. Sure. Anyway, so there's Siri, activity, breathe. I'm gonna personally use that. And kaleidoscope, vapor, Mickey Mouse, utility, and then you can add more faces too. If I go back, there's the infograph modular, but I'm gonna go back to the infograph, and that's it. I think now I'm going to add on the strap. I believe a medium will work for me, although I'm not too sure. I'm gonna attempt Ooh, feels nice. Yeah, so I'm not too sure. I'm gonna try and attempt to put on the small one and see how it works out. Alright, let's try this on. So yeah, there it is. This is my first ever unboxing video. If I ever get more gadgets, please let me know if you want me to make another unboxing video / hands-on review. And yeah, I'm really excited. Awesome. Alright everyone, so there you have it. My first ever unboxing video of the Apple Watch Series 4 40mm aluminum. I don't see really a big difference. Apparently everyone says the 42mm or the 44mm is bigger. It has a bigger screen apparently said, but the 40mm I'm alright with. There's no complaints. I am super excited that I got this Apple Watch finally, and yeah, I can't wait to go use it at the gym for the first time ever. And thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you gained some knowledge from this, whether it be something little or something big. I'll see you guys in my next video, which is probably gonna be a vlog. So have an amazing week, an amazing night or day, whatever you're experiencing in this current moment, and remember to breathe. Alright, see you all later.